Well, there was this scary house, and it was like an abandoned house. And it's like, not abandoned house, abandoned garage. And it's like so scary to watch. You need to see it. They said the lights go like, I don't know, like off. Oh, snap. Can't see. Look, wait a second. That thing's floating. Oh, no, that's a ghost. It's a ghost. Wait a second. It's so scary. Whoa! Something just flew. Oh! And they even said there was gunfire in here or something. Gunfire. And you could die in here. Whoa! This is so scary. It got me.
Come to die. Can't move out.